All right, welcome. This is the study guide for test 5. I don't know how long it's going to take me to solve all these problems, but I might make them 10-minute videos or something like that. Well, here we go. All right, question number 1 is this polynomial divided by n minus 9. And what you need to notice about this division problem is that this is synthetic division. So you need to find a root, n equals 9. And then you need to check the degrees. This is degree 3, degree 2, degree 1, degree 0. All of the degrees are present, so you can do synthetic division. So we have 9. And then you grab the coefficients. 1, negative 5, negative 33, and negative 37. Bring down the 1. 9 times 1 is 9. 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 times 4 is 36. 36 and negative 33 is a positive 3. 9 times 3 is 27. And 27 and a negative 37 is negative 10. All right, the other thing you need to know is that this is always the remainder. So it's going to be over the divisor, which is n minus 9. Right, this is degree 0, which means it's a constant. Degree 1, which means it gets one variable. And degree 2, which means it gets two variables. So the final answer is going to be n squared plus 4n plus 3 minus 10 over n minus 9. All right, problem number 2 is also synthetic division. So we need to find the root. V equals 6, and then degree 3, degree 2, degree 1, degree 0. All of the degrees are present. So now you grab your coefficients, a 2, a negative 20, a 56, a negative 46. And now you do synthetic division, bring down the 2, 2 times 6, 12. 12 and negative 20, negative 8. 8 times, well, negative 8 times 6 is negative 48. And a 56 is going to be 8. 6 times 8 is 48. And a negative 46 is going to be a positive 2. Once again, this is the remainder, degree 0, degree 1, degree 2. And what does this mean? This means that the 2 goes over the v minus 6. This is a constant. This one gets one variable, and this one gets two variables. So the final answer is going to be 2v squared minus 8v plus 8 plus 2 over v minus 6. All right, this problem is also synthetic division. So we need to get the root, r equals 7, and then we need to check the degrees. Degree 3, degree 2, degree 1, degree 0, they're all present. Now remember, if it's not present, you're going to have to add a 0 as a placeholder. So please make sure that you review that. You will have missing degrees on your test. So we have 8 minus 49 minus 45 minus 36. Those are the constants, the coefficients. Bring down the 8. 8 times 7 is 56. That's positive 7. 56 and negative 49. 7 times 7 is 49. 49 and negative 45 is 4, positive 4. 7 times 4 is 28. 28 and negative 36 is negative 8. All right, so this is the remainder. This one is degree 0, degree 1, and degree 2. And what does this mean? This means that because this is the remainder, it goes over r minus 7. It's a constant. Degree 1 gets one variable, and degree 2 gets two variables. So then the final answer would be 8r squared plus 7r plus 4 minus 8 over r minus 7. All right, if I made a mistake, please let me know via email. I just noticed that I labeled these wrong. This is 1A, 1B, 1C. Okay. All right. Now for 1D. All right, when you look at this problem, the first thing you need to notice is that your leading coefficient is not a 1. So then this one is best solved by long division. So then you have 9A plus 6. And your dividend is... Of course, you have to check that you have all your degrees. And this one is degree 3, degree 2, degree 1, degree 0. All right, so they're all present, so we don't have to put placeholders. But with this one, you write everything. That's why it's called long division. All right, and now you focus on the first terms. How many times does 9a go into 9a cubed? So a quick way of doing this is to just divide. And this is a squared. Right, so it goes in a squared times, and then you multiply the a squared by the divisor, by the 9a plus 6. You get 9a cubed plus 6a squared. Now they're both positive, so I'm going to change their sign. (60 minus 6 is 54. Bring down the next term. Now you need to ask yourself again, how many times does 9a go into 54a squared? So if you don't know, just do this. And 54 divided by 9 is 6. A squared over a is a. So it goes in 8 times, 6a times. And then you do 6a times 9a plus 6. Right, we distribute, we get 54 a squared plus 36a. And they're both positive, we change the sign. This cancels, and these two combined are negative 54a. I'll bring down negative 40. And then once again, you ask yourself, how many times does 9a go into, but this time negative 54a? It's going to be a negative number, negative 6, because the a's cancel. Right, so it goes in negative 6, so minus 6, and then we'll multiply this by the 9a plus 6. And we get negative 54a minus 36. Now both of these are negative, so when we put them over here, we have to make them positive. And we get a negative 4. And that's it. This one's the remainder. So it's minus 4 over 9a plus 6. I don't know why I'm trying to write this over here. I want to rewrite the answer. A squared plus 6a minus 6 minus 4 over 9a plus 6. That's what the answer is going to look like.